Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Aschalew Atsbeha, and today we are diving into something super important for your grade 11 biology exam, the musculoskeletal and reproductive system. We are covering movement, supports, reproduction, and all the weird but awesome things your body does to keep you alive. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Alright, so the human body is made up of 11 organ systems. In this unit, we are focusing on just two, but trust me, there are two big ones. The first one is the musculoskeletal system, and this one gives you movement and structure, basically everything from running to sitting up upright. And the reproductive system. This one is all about how humans reproduce, and we are gonna talk about hormones, menstruation, STIs, and more. Let's start with the system that helps you walk, jump, and TikTok dance, the musculoskeletal system. The muscular system is a tag team of bones and muscles, but also includes cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and joints. Here is what it does. Supports your body so you don't look like a jellyfish, and protects organs like how your ribs shield your lungs. Allows movement. Muscles pull on. Allows movement. Muscles pull on bones to help you move. And the bonus, your bone marrow makes blood cells. Yep, your skeleton is basically a blood factory. Types of muscles. There are 3 types of muscles, and each one has its own role. The first one is cardiac muscle, found only in heart, and it is involuntary, so it keeps pumping without you thinking about it. And it also straightened, which means it looks stripy under a microscope. The second one is a skeletal muscle, and these are your voluntary muscles. You control them like when you lift weights or wave high. Smooth muscles. Those are those found in places like your stomach and the blood vessels, and they are involuntary, working behind the scenes to move food or control blood flow. Let's talk about how your muscles actually move. It's like a mini machine powered by energy. Inside your muscle fibers, 2 proteins, actin and myosin, slide past each other. This process uses ATP, which is your body's energy currency. And here is the breakdown. First, your brain sends a nerve signal that releases calcium, and then actin and the myosin hook up, and boom, muscle contracts. ATP helps reset the muscles for the next move. There are 3 types of contraction: isometric, concentric, and eccentric. Isometric, holding a plank, refers to isometric, and that's this. The other one is concentric, like curling a dumbbell, and eccentric, lowering that dumbbell slowly. And basically, muscles are both smarter and sneaker than you think. Skeletal system. Let's talk bones. Your skeleton is divided into 2 sections: the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton, that is your skull, spine, and ribs, cores. The appendicular skeleton includes your arms, legs, hips, and the limbs. There are also different types of bones: long bones like the femur, short bones like your wrist bones, and flat bones like your skull, and regular bones like the vertebrae. Fun fact: babies start with 300 bones, but as they grow, some fuse together, and adults have just 206 bones. Joints are where bones meet, and they come in different types. The first one is ball and socket, like your shoulder, it moves in all direction. Hinge, like your elbow or knee, moves back and forth. Pivot, your neck turns because of this. Gliding, wrists and ankles. Saddle, your thumb has this special one for gripping. Basically, joints are like the hinges in a robot. Without them, we would all be stiff sticks. Now let's switch gears to the reproductive system. Its main job, making gametes, sperm in males and eggs in females, and managing a whole load of hormones. In males, we have testes, scrotum, and penis. Testes makes sperm, scrotum holds the testes, and penis delivers the goods. In females, ovaries produce eggs, fallopian tubes transport them, and then uterus is where a baby can grow. The process of making sperm and eggs, that is called gametogenesis. Menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is about 28 days and has 4 phases. The first one is follicular phase, and the egg starts to grow. Ovulation, and egg is released usually around day 14. Luteal phase, uterus gets ready for pregnancy. Then at 4th, we have menstruation. If there is no fertilization, the lining is shed. This whole thing is driven by hormones. The first one is FSH hormone, which helps to grow egg, and LH triggers evolutions, and estrogen and progesterone help thicken the uterine lining. Let's talk birth control. There are 3 major types of contraceptives. The first one is barrier methods, which includes condoms, diaphragms. They block them physically. The second one is hormonal methods, like the pill, implants, or IUDs, and they stop ovulation or change cervical mucus. The third one is surgical methods, vasectomy or tubal ligation, or permanent. This is important for permanent solutions. Key fact: only condoms protect against both pregnancy and STIs. In Ethiopia and many parts of the world, STIs are a real concern. You've got bacterial STIs like syphilis and gonorrhea, viral STIs like HIV and hepatitis B, and parasitic ones like fubiculitis. Preventing STIs is simple. Use protection, get vaccinated, practice safe hygiene, and get tested regularly. Some harmful cultural practices still exist and can seriously affect reproductive health. The first one is FGM, or female genital mutilation, which causes pain, infections, even infertility. Early marriage leads to complications in childbirth and school dropouts. Third one is gender-based violence, and which leaves physical and emotional scars. We all have a role to play in challenging and ending these harmful traditions. Family planning is all about choice. It helps reduce maternal and infant deaths, give women more control over their lives, improve family health and finance. Family planning includes counseling, access to contraceptives, and education. It's a win-win for individual and the community. let's keep it real. Drugs, alcohol, and cuts might seem cool in the moment, but the consequences, like poor judgment to risky sex, then STIs or unplanned pregnancy can happen. Long-term use damages your liver, brain, and more. It also increases your risk of addiction and mental health issues. Anna, make smart choices. Your body and the future will thank you. Quick review before we wrap up. What are the three types of muscles and where are they found? How do actin myosin works during muscle contraction? Name 2 methods to prevent STIs. If you got those right, you are on your way to acing this unit. That's a wrap on the musculoskeletal and reproductive system. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with any question you still have. And don't forget to check out the next video where we dive into different biology concepts. Catch you next time. Stay curious, stay healthy.